Hi, we are on your website on a desktop site. Now we will add some product to the cart. You can see it only have the fields that you have configured right now. But if I go to the view inquiry page, this page is been cached. Your caching system has cached this page. Since this part of the cart is loaded by the Ajax, it is refreshed. But this part is static. It is loaded and your website has cached this part. Now I can show to you that it is cached because when I add something randomly to the URL, it will be served independent, not from the cached. The page is same, but because of this, the cache get bypassed. And now you can see your present settings are seen. This is the form that you have configured right now. But and this particular random string is making it to bypass the cache. But when if you remove this, it will be serving from the cache, and so you will see all the form field. Okay, so make sure to remove